With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, the sum of an infinitely decreasing GP is equal to 4 and the sum of the cubes of its term is equal to 64 by 7. Then fifth term of this progression is. So in this question we have given that sum of infinitely decreasing GP is equals to 4. And we know that sum of infinitely decreasing GP is given by A upon 1 minus R. So this will be equals to 4. But from this we get value of A as 4 into 1 minus R. And now also we have given that the sum of the cubes of its term is equal to 64 by 7. So we have A cube plus AR cube plus AR square cube and so on till infinite. This is equals to 64 by 7. Now for this GP, the first term will be A cube and the common ratio will be R cube. So by this formula, A upon 1 minus R square, so by this formula we can write this sum of this GP will be A cube upon 1 minus R cube is equals to 64 by 7. From this we get 7A cube is equals to 64 1 minus R cube. Now putting value of A from this, we get 7 into 4 1 minus R cube is equals to 64 into 1 minus R cube. Now we know a formula that A cube minus B cube is equals to A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. So we know a formula this. So applying this formula in here, that we can write 1 as 1 cube. So by applying this formula here, we get 7. This will be 4 cube, that is 64, and this will be 1 minus R cube is equals to, by applying this formula here, we get 64 into 1 minus R into 1 plus R square, or this will be, now this 64 and 64 will get cancelled, 1 minus R will get cancelled, so here will be 1 minus R to the whole square. So now on simplifying this, we get 7 into 1 minus R to the whole square will be 1 plus R square minus 2R is equals to 1 plus R square. But this will be now 7 plus 7R square minus 14R is equals to 1 plus R square, or we can write it as, on simplifying this, we get 6R square minus 15R plus 6 is equals to 0. Taking 3 common, we get 2R square minus 5R plus 2 equals to 0. Now we can break the 5R as 2R square minus 4R minus R plus 2 equals to 0. Or this will be taking 2R common from this 2, get 2R into R minus 2. Taking minus 1 common from this, we get minus 1 into R minus 2 equals to 0. Now taking R minus 2 common, we get R minus 2 into 2R minus 1 equals to 0, or from this we get value of R as R is equals to 2, or R is equals to R is equals to 1 by 2. Now as given in the question that it is in decreasing GP, so the value of R will be 1 by 2. Now putting value of R in this equation, A is equals to 4 1 minus R. So from this equation, the equation is A is equals to 4 to 1 minus R. Putting value of R here, we get A is equals to 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2 or this will be a is equals to 4 into 1 by 2. From this we get a is equals to. Now in the question we have to find the value of fifth term. So we have to find the value of fifth term. So a5 can be written as a into r to the power 4. This is the fifth term. So putting value of a and r in here, we get 2 into 1 by 2 to the power 4, or this will be equal to 1 upon 2 cube, or this will be equals to 1 by 8. So the value of fifth term of this progression is 1 by 8. So option B is the correct option. Thanks for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.